Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Been working on the fence a little bit. Besides homestead cleanup, I have experimentally put on some pieces of the fence. We've been hauling tree bark into the orchard. That's going to become a carpet of mulch on the ground for the orchard, and my vision and dream of having winding pathways surrounded by living foods. I like it. I've got to put a thin one in there yet, no big deal. I'm using plumber's strap on the back side, as I said I would. And it's actually very strong. I actually can pull the whole pole up by pulling up on a board. Very, very good. So, the only problem is I'm out of lumber. I used a rough, no, it was a rough 2x4. There's bark on the other side. That was a cast off. But that's it. I'm out of rough lumber for this, so I've got the sawmill running. Over here, I've got a 6x6 I sawed out and some 4x6s that I found out back. I forgot I had them. So I've got enough to build a dock. Anyway, Melanie and I had them up on the mill, and we rolled up with the crane and a lot of work and effort. We rolled up a massive log onto the mill. That almost maxes out that mill's limits there on height. It's very close to the top. So we got that. I peeled off the cap of my jack. I'll have to dig it out and put it back on. But we got that on. Now I'm going to cut some lumber for my fencing. Scratch that. I think that blade is too dull. It is slow going, so I'm going to change the blade. That is beautiful inside. Look at how clean that is. That's been on my ground for a year here. Wow. Clean. Not a flaw. That's going to make good lumber. Look at that slab. I sawed 1.5 inches. I'll get some 2x4s out of that. I cut it a bit deeper than I normally would because I couldn't handle it alone. It's heavy and the girls are busy. So now I'm going to saw it this way and get my boards off of it. Now I just took a thin shave off because I'm cutting for the garden fencing, so a little bit of round edges is not going to be a problem. Well, that's annoying. Brand new blade. I must have hit a nail. Right here, I heard a sound and it dug in. I must have hit some metal because I heard it and all of a sudden, boom, it dug in. Oh, I'm going to try flipping this around and cutting from the other side and Hope there's nothing else in it. That blade is probably shot, so I might as well just saw the rest of this log out. I tried another cut and I started bowing down, so I went down a little deeper and I tried another cut and I started digging in. I've wrecked the blade. That is really frustrating because I just put it on. That one's broke off entirely. Oh, I can't believe it. Brand new blade. I just put it on. That one's broke off. That one's broke off. This one has got a jagged edge on it. I don't know if you can see it or not. I can feel it. I wrecked a brand new blade. I cannot believe it. And if I'm feeling along, you can feel a couple are dull. Oh, that's so annoying. That one's got a jagged lip on it now. Right here is where I hit that metal. That one's got a jagged lip on it now. I can catch it with my thumb. You can hear it. This one really bad. Oh, brand new blade. It cut through. That one feels like it's bent up. It cut through, but it ripped up these teeth right here. That's the end of that blade. Oh, that was looking beautiful inside. Oh, I'm probably going to take this off and cut in with a chainsaw and see what I might have hit inside there, out of curiosity. I want to see what it is. Well, I don't dare risk going into this again. I'll probably have to use a chainsaw mill in this one. I got some good wood off of there, some good pieces before I hit metal. I'm surprised I hit metal in so deep. But I guess I'll put another blade and resaw these out and have something for my garden at least. I've got some 1-bys, actually a little over 1, and then some 2-bys. I'll resaw them and I can at least maybe get my gardening done. So I cut this open with a chainsaw. That is a big piece of metal. And it was deep. I mean, it was in there. Look how far in I got. And it doesn't go through the other side. So it was something, as Melanie said, when the tree was young. Something got put in there when the tree was young. And that just wrecked my brand new saw blade. Brand new. Brand new. That's absolutely wrecked. Broke right off. Piece of metal hanging off. That's really sickening. I mean, brand new blade. Well, I got 3 2x4s and a 2x-something. It was scrap. I never got to saw out my 1-bys for the fencing, but I've got 2 massive pieces and 2 smaller ones. But it's getting late, so I'm going to call it a night. There's a thunderstorm coming, so that'll be it for today. I've got to clean up and get all the tools put away before that happens. So, please like this video. Subscribe if you haven't. You never know what's coming tomorrow at the homestead. Well, even though I blew out a brand new blade, I've got some beautiful, awesome lumber, and I'm ready for the projects for tomorrow. So, I guess it's a good day. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Talk to you later.